Step into a London townhouse where classic elegance meets bold imagination. Each room a rich blend of pattern, texture, and custom design, timeless and deeply personal. This home is a study in deeply personal, emotionally resonant design, where every element has been selected or created to evoke memory, beauty, and a sense of place. Central to its character is the seamless blending of past and present. Studio Cutie Interior Design and Nikki Haslam have crafted an interior that honors tradition while embracing a free-spirited modernity. Much of the success lies in their fearless use of pattern and material, as well as their commitment to bespoke craftsmanship. Materials are layered with precision and intent. Marble, velvet, linen, and seagrass appear throughout the home, each chosen for both its tactile appeal and its ability to complement neighboring textures. Painted MDF panels mimic recessed paneling in an inverted design twist, their corners adorned with gilded discs that glimmer subtly in candlelight. These flourishes are not simply decorative, but serve to animate the space with light and movement, even in static architectural elements. In the drawing room, for example, floral chintz in bold Merlot tones sweeps across walls and Ionic columns, while a muddy green linen anchors the composition, ensuring the space never feels saccharine. Shades like dead salmon and cock green from Faro and Ball establish a sophisticated, almost historical palette, while accents of coral, mauve, and dusty lilac inject moments of unexpected freshness. Furniture is not static but often reimagined or custom-built to suit the home's unique configurations. A serpentine marble dresser shields views from the street while paying homage to the owner's lifelong entertaining rituals. Even the smallest areas, like a bathroom or landing nook, are elevated through tailored design. An oval frame softens architectural lines, a second desk hides in lavender shelving, and panels painted in lavender frame seagrass textures to create restful visual transitions. Art and antiques are not just decorative flourishes, but deeply integrated into the home's spirit. A 1960s velour vase becomes a lamp base. An 18th century giltwood mirror hangs above a Louis XVI pier table, and delft tiles by Pietro Palumbo add artisanal charm to the kitchen. These elements reflect not only aesthetic taste, but also a deep respect for craftsmanship and narrative continuity.